Hey BGC, this is Timothy Corbett, Program Director at the Boys and Girls Club in Talent, Oregon, and I'm coming to you today to share a very simple yet profound idea that you can do in your leisure time. And that idea is simply going for a mindful walk in nature. I recommend going with your mom, your dad, your guardian, or a few friends. But mindfulness is the act of trying to truly experience, immersing yourself in the experience that you're partaking in. So hearing the sounds and seeing the sights and smelling everything around you, and really being part of that experience, mindfulness. So a mindful walk in nature. And I would like to leave you with some powerful quotes from on the healing power of nature. And nature has been proven that it can be very positive experience. It can be healing. It can reduce stress. It can lower blood pressure. It can improve your immunity. The Japanese have a practice called forest bathing. And basically it's just being in the presence of trees. It's been proven to lower your heart rate, your blood pressure, reduce stress once again, and just improve overall feelings of well-being. Okay, so here's some quotes on the healing power of nature to get you motivated to go out with your family for a mindful walk in nature. Let's start with John Muir. John Muir said, quote, "Come to the woods, for here is rest." Mary Davis said, quote, "I walk in nature as walking in nature walks the soul back home." Let's see, another one by John Muir. Quote, "Allow nature's peace to flow into you as sunshine flows into trees." Anthony William, quote, "Walk in nature and feel the healing power of the trees." Richard Louv, quote, "The greener the setting, the more the relief." David Mitchell, quote, "Trees are always a relief after people." And another one by John Muir, "The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness." And let's end with one more by Albert Einstein, quote, "Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better." All right, guys, until next time,